कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अंजनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् वाल्मीकि गिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्याम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मंगलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम्। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। Various parts of the world as though have been sent the message that Sugriva had called for all the monkeys to assemble in crores, perhaps more than the human population at that time, because there are many forests and a lot of animals were available, unlike now where most of them are extinguished. And so all of them have been asked to arrive for the sake of Tisrakottiha Plamanganam Nidriyu Yatra Raghavaha. All of them have been assembled, most of them. There are many, many more to come also. And so, continuing here in the verse number 21, that is canto number 37. Astam gacchati yadarkah.
Astam gacchati yatrarkah.
Tasmin girivare rataha.
Tasmin girivare rataha.
Santapta hema varnabhaha.
Santapta hema varnabhaha.
Tasmat kotyo dashachyutaha.
Tasmat kotyo dashachyutaha.
Kailasa shikarebhyascha.
Kailasa shikarebhyascha.
Simha kesa chavaschasa.
Simha kesara varchasam.
Tatak koti sahasrani.
Tatah koti sahasrani.
Vanaranam samagaman.
Vanaranam samagaman.
Falamulena jivanto.
Falamulena jivanto.
Himavantam upashritaha.
Himavantam upashritaha.
Tesham koti sahasranam.
Tesham koti sahasranam.
Sahasram samavartata.
Sahasram samavartata.
Angaraga samananam.
अंगारकसमानानां
भीमानां भीमकर्मणां
भीमकर्मणां
विन्द्यात्वा नरकोटीनां
विन्द्याद्वानरकोटीनां
सहस्राण्यपतन् द्रुतम्
सहस्राण्यपतन् द्रुतम्
क्षीरोदवेला वेलानिलयाः
क्षीरोदवेलानिलयाः
तमालवनवासिनः
तमालवनवासिनः
नारिकेलाशनाश्चैव
नारिकेलाशनश्चैव
तेषां संख्या न विद्यते
तेषां संख्या न विद्यते
वनेभ्यो गह्वरेभ्यश्च
वनेभ्यो गह्वरेभ्यश्च
सरिद्भ्यश्च महाबलाः
सरिद्भ्यश्च महाबलाः
आगच्छत् वानरी सेना
आगच्छद्वानरी सेना
पिबन्तीव दिवाकरम्.
पिबन्तीव दिवाकरम्.
Further description of various kinds of monkeys from other places. Yada arkaha astam gacchati, Western Ghats, girivare rataha, those who are dwelling in those best of the mountains. Sapta santapta hemavarnabaha, hemavarnabaha, like the cold that are being burned, the burning cold, how bright it would be, equal to that kind of brightness. Tasmat kotyo dashaschudaha, 100 crores of them. They are also coming from there. Chudaha, chudaha means coming, coming out, and from all directions. 10 crores, 10,000 crores, something, whatever you can take it as. And Kailasa Shigarebhyascha, from this Kailasa Shigar also, Simha Kesara Varchasa, equal to that of the lion and the tiger, their kind of prowess, Tata Koti Sahasra, 100,000 crores also, Vanaranam Samagaman. And Falamulene Jivanta Hemevantam Upashritaha, those who are just surviving by just eating the fruits, probably vegan. So Tesha Koti Sahasrana, they are also thousands of them, crores of them. Sahasram Samavartada, Angaraka Samananam, red in color like Mars. Bhimanam Bhimakarmanam, extremely powerful by their extraordinary actions of strength. Vindyat Vanarakodina, they are coming from India mountains. See, their colors are red in color, dark in color, gold in color. Sahasrani Apadan Dhutam from various places. And Shiro Vela Nilayaha, those who are standing, dwelling in the banks of the Shiro the Vela means the banks that has the ocean whose color is like that of the milky ocean, as though. Oh, they are coming from Milky Ocean. Yes, Shiro I think there was the Milky Ocean then at that time. Nilayaha Tamala Vasina, Vanavasina. There is a place which is known as Tamala, which is a beautiful forest. And they are Narikela, I think it's Kerala. Why? Narikela Ashana. I think the entire this Konkan area, they eat only coconuts. The Kerala is, first thing they do every day morning is open a coconut and then decide what to cook. Because coconut has to be there anyways, whatever they cook. Otherwise, they just eat the coconut. But coconut has to be there. So, Narikela Ashanas Seva. And how many of them? Their number is not known. Why? It cannot be counted. Tesham Sankyana Vidyate. It is interesting, If you take military, Indian military, there are two kinds of people are invariably present, always. People from Kerala and people from Punjab. These two, you cannot avoid them. They are definitely there in many, many high ranks. And they are known for their bold engagement in, in any work which is daring work. So I am sure this is Kerala side, Narikelasana. And those who are in the vanas, forest, Gahvara, the caves, Saridhyascha, from various kind of rivers and streams, Mahabalaha, those who are extremely powerful, Agachat, became Vanari Sena, the Sena of monkeys. Divakaram Pipantiva, as though they are going to completely swallow the sun itself. Divakaram Pibantiva Senaha Agachat. So this is the kind of battalion that were there available for Sugriva to command. So, and these monkeys are monkeys. Kaun hai monkey? Monkey ki baat karte hain, usse monkey. So according to their own whims, they do whatever they want. And there's no much of thinking, as I told yesterday also. And they are to be controlled. That is the greatest job that is there for anyone. Why am I? In the side otherwise. Ye tuttvarayitum yataha.
Ye tuttvarayitum yata.
Tvara means quick. Vanara sarva vanaran.
Vanara sarva vanaran.
Devira himavachchaile.
Devira himavachchaile.
Tadrushustam mahadrumam.
Dadrushustam mahadrumam.
Yes, tasmin girivare punye.
Tasmin girivare punye.
Yajno maheshwara pura.
Yagno maheshwara pura.
Sarvadeva manastyosho.
Sarvadeva manastosho.
Babu tosho. Babuva sumanoramaha.
Babhuva sumanoramaha.
Anna nityan.
Nityanda jatani.
Anna nityandaja anna nisyanta jatani.
Anna nityanda jatani.
Mulani chapalani cha.
Mulani cha phalani cha.
Amrita swadu kalpani.
Amrita swadu kalpani.
Tadrushus tatra vanaraha.
Tadrushus tatra vanaraha.
Tadanna sambhavam divyam.
Dadanna sambhavam divyam.
Palamulam manoharam.
Palamulam manoharam.
Yakkaschis sagridashnati. Yakkaschis sagridashnati.
Yakkaschit sakrudashnati.
Ma sambhavati tarpitaha.
Ma sambhavati tarpitaha.
Tani mulani divyani.
Tani mulani divyani.
Falani chapalashanaha.
Phalani cha phalashanaha.
Aushadani cha divyani.
Aushadani cha divyani.
Jagrahu haripungavaha.
Jagruhur haripungavaha.
Tasmacha yajnayatanat.
Tasmacha yajnayatanat.
Pushpani surabhini cha.
Pushpani surabhini cha.
Aninyurvanaragatva.
Aninyurvanaragatva.
Sugriva priyakaranat.
Sugriva priyakaranat.
Ye vanaraha. Sarva vanaran tvarayitum yataha. Those monkeys which are sent earlier, those were to bring all others quickly. Tvarayitum those people, Piraha, Himavat Shaile, Tam Mahadrumam Dadrushu. They saw a beautiful tree, huge tree. Mahadrumam Dadrushu Tam. Tasmin Girivare Punye. In that very beautiful mountain, Pura, in the past, Maheshwara Yajna, a yajna which is conducted in propitiating Bhagavan Shiva, Sarvadeva Namastoshaha Babuva Sumanorama. That which is that yajna, that which causes the great delight to all the devatas, and which is conducted for the delight of every one of them. And that was done in the past, so it was so beautiful and most auspicious. And Anna Nisyanta Jatani Mulani cha Palani cha. Nisyandanam means to flow out. Syand is to flow out. Nisyanda, that which is flowing out in that very. And what are they flowing out of there? Phala Jatani Mulani cha Palani cha. So various things came out of the tree. See, that very tree is not just mere fruits and that, but annam also. Amruda swadu kalpani dadrshuhu tatra vanaraha. And there are that very food has annam usually means attidi annam. What can be eaten? But really here speaking, because it is for yajna, so it is rice with milk and ghee and honey mixed. That kind of a food also was coming out of that very tree, which is to say, it is so auspicious. It is, when we offer to the gods, it is said in Gita also, that Bhagavan Krishna said that if you do the yajnas to propitiate the gods, te deva bhavayantu vaha. If you are able to use the yajna for the sake of propitiating the gods, they will in turn parasparam bhavayantaha shreya paramam apsyata. Mutually thus helping each other, both of you become prosperous. Devatas require you to perform the rituals, and when they are pleased, they will give you whatever you want. So here it is said, such a divine tree which had ability to give all the different things. It's like Amrita Swadu Kalpani. It is equal to that of a nectar. Dadrshuhu Tatra. Tad Anna Sambhavam Divyam Palamulam Manoharam. Whoever eats those very divine fruit and roots and food there, Yakaschid Sakrit Ashanati, even a little once, one who takes that, Masam Tarpitaha Bhavati, he becomes content and does not need to eat. He does not need to eat for a month. Wow, that will be great. No? Cooking is stopped at home. एक बार खा लो, फिर एक महीने के लिए नहीं करना है. What a wonderful place. I think every woman will be looking for it. Where is that place? I will take my family there, make them sit there, and I will go for a vacation. Because they will not come after me for food. So that's a place to go. We have to find out where it is. Tani mulani divyani falani cha falashanaha aushadani cha divyani jagrahu haripungava. Those very fruits and roots and everything. And they not only ate, but and aushadani, and also the herbs that were there, divyani aushadani, jagrahu, they gathered all of them. So why they have gathered all of them, not just ate there, but because they not only wanted to eat themselves, but also give to the Sugriva, their own king. Sugriva Priyakaranat Vanaraha Gatva Aninyuhu, they brought Tasmacha Yajna Ayatanat Pushpani Surabhinicha, all those things that they have enjoyed there, they also brought the food as well as the even the flowers, all the flowers, Pushpani and Surabhini. Surabhi means the very nectar that is coming out of the flower. Sometimes it is alcoholic also. Vanaraha Gatva Aninyuhu Sugriva Priyakaranat. For the sake of giving to Sugriva, showing their love for him. All right. Te tu sarve harivaraha
ते तु सर्वे हरिवराः
Prithivyam sarvavanaran
पृथिव्यां सर्ववानरान्
Sanchodayitva tvaritam
संचोदयित्वा त्वरितं
Yutanam Jagmurugratah
यूतानां
Yutanam
जग्मुरग्रतः
Jagmurugratah. Continue.
यूतानां जग्मुरग्रतः
Te tu tena muhurtena
ते तु तेन मुहूर्तेन
Kapaya Shigracharinah
कपयः शीघ्रचारिणः
Kishkintam Tvaraya Praptaha
किष्किन्धां त्वरया प्राप्ताः
Sugrivo Yatra Vanaraha
सुग्रीवो यत्र वानरः
Te tu grihitve Te tu grihitwaushadi sarvaha
ते गृहीत्वौषधीः सर्वाः
Palamulam chavanaraha
फलमूलं च वानराः
Tam parigrahayamasuhu
तं प्रतिग्राहयामासुः
Vachanam chedamabruvan
वचनं चेदमब्रुवन्
Sarve parisruta shailaha
सर्वे परिसृताः शैलाः
Saritaschavana nicha
सरितश्च वनानि च
Prithivyam vanara sarve
पृथिव्यां वानराः सर्वे
Shasanadupayantite te
शासनादुपयान्ति ते
Evam shrutva tato hrishtaha
एवं श्रुत्वा ततो हृष्टः
Sugriva plavagatipaha
सुग्रीवः प्लवगाधिपः
Pradijagraha cha prityaha
प्रतिजग्राह च प्रीतः
Tesham sarvamupayanam
तेषां सर्वमुपायनम्
Sarve harivaraha, those very best of the monkeys, Pradivyam sarvanaran samchodayitva, having made all of them, pushing all of these guys, all of the others to come to gather up, Tvaritam Yutanam Jagmuhu Ugratah, Agratah. Yutanam Agratah. Yuta means a host or the group of monkeys, and they became the foremost. In the front they moved. Agratah Tvaritam Chodayitva Agratam at the brink, at the very forefront. And te tu tena muhurtena, within an hour, Kapayaha Shigracharinaha, who are very swift moving, Kishkindam Tvaraya Praptaha, they arrived at Kishkinda very quickly. Yatra Vanaraha Sugriva, where Sugriva was residing. Te Grihitva Aushadi Sarva Palamulam cha Vanaraha. Remember, they were carrying that kind of divine food and fruits and roots and all. Everything. Tam pratigrahayamasaha vachanam chedam apruvan. They wanted Sugriva to accept it. Pratigrahanam, grahayanam. Grahayati means make causal form. make Sugriva to accept. For that, idam vachanam apruvan. They spoke this way. This we have gone to all different places. Sarve shailaha saritascha vananicha parisrutaha. Parisruta means wandering about, moving about, going about. Prativyam vanara sarve, all the monkeys that were available there in the whole earth, sarvan shasanat ubayanti te, according to your commands, they are being rounded up. It is like when the police cops are aware of some problem, some criminal activity happened in one particular area. They don't know who perhaps might have done. They gather up, round up. They round up all the thieves in that area, because we don't know who might have committed. Round up everybody. Similarly, here they rounded up every available monkey up the top of the tree, running in behind the mountain, or in the forest, or in the rivers, or in the ocean side, everywhere rounded up completely. I remember when this lockdown was there in Kerala. So it's filled with Kerala is filled with a lot of forests and then inaccessible places. Not all villages also have roads to lead to them. Sometimes they are in some middle of the hill somewhere. So what they did was they had these drones. And the lockdown was everybody should be at home, at least for a few weeks. That was there last year. The drones had a speaker system. So what the police did, I think they effectively did it. I don't think anywhere else they have done. The drones will go into that very village, making announcement. All of you get in, police is coming. And there is a camera also. And you could see, as soon as the drone started to arrive, the people are running there. They're just running. And then they will go all the way to watch them waiting into the house and then get to the other place. So it's interesting use of the drones. I think in India, I was told, drones are banned. Literally, they are banned. They are not allowed to be used by anyone except police and surveyors. Military, police, and surveyors, they are only used, and special permission has to be taken by the film producers and movie producers for the sake of using those drones. Unlike here, there is plenty of such usages, but in India, that is, so recently I met someone who said this, Swamiji, it is not easy to carry drones into India. It's not allowed. So here, these monkeys have done that work of grounding up everybody wherever they are, forests and the lakes and the caves and the top of the hills, everywhere. So we have brought everybody here, and also Sugriva was very, very happy about this. Evam shrutva tato hrishtaha Sugriva plavagadipaha. The monkey chief was so happy, and also he accepted that very gift they brought it from Himalayas. Pradijagraha Preetaha. Very dearly, joyfully, he took it. Tesham sarvam sarva upayanam, gift. Whatever they brought as the gift, he accepted them with great joy, knowing that they all did with him in his mind. Vidyarshya Srimad Ramayani Valmiki Adi Kavya Kishkinda Kande Saptatrimshas Sargaha 37. Now, having accepted those beautiful gifts brought by the monkeys, continuing, Pradigrihya Chatat Sarvam
Pratigruhya cha tat sarvam
Upayanam Upakrutam
upayanam upahritam
Vanaran Santayitvacha
vanaran satvayitva
Sarvaneva Vyasarjayat
sarvaneva vyatarjayat
Visarjayitva saharin
विसर्जयित्वा हरीन्
Sahasran kritakarmanah
सहस्रान् कृतकर्मणः
Mene kritarthamatmanam
मीने कृतार्थमात्मानम्
Ragavam cha mahabalam
राघवं च महाबलं
Salakshmano bhimabalam
सलक्ष्मणो भीमबलं
Sarvavanarasattamam
सर्ववानरसत्तमम्
Abravit prashritam vakyam
अब्रवीत् प्रश्रितं वाक्यम्
Sugrivam sampraharshayan
सुग्रीवं तं प्रहर्षयन्
Kishkindaya vinishkrama
किष्किन्धायां विनिष्क्राम
and Dayam is it? Kishkindayam, correct. Vinishkrama. Yadi te saumya rochate
यदि ते सौम्य रोचते
tasya tat vachanam shrutva
तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा
Lakshmanasya subhashitam
लक्ष्मणस्य सुभाषितं
Sugriva paramaprito
सुग्रीवः परमप्रीतो
वाक्यमेतदुवाचः
वाक्यमेतदुवाचः
एवं भवतु गच्छामः
एवं भवतु गच्छामः
तेयं त्वच्चासने मया
स्तेयं त्वच्छासने मया
तमेव मुक्त्वा सुग्रीवः
तमेव मुक्त्वा सुग्रीवः
लक्ष्मणं शुभलक्षणं
लक्ष्मणं शुभलक्षणं
विसर्जयामास तदा
विसर्जयामास तदा
ताराध्याश्चैव योषितः
ताराद्याश्चैव योषितः
तत्सर्वम् उपायनम् उपाहृतं प्रतिगृह्य all those things which were brought by all the monkeys there, some sarvam upahridam upayan, whatever has been offered, having taken pratigrihya, vanaran santayitva, pleasing all those monkeys by that very act of accepting, sarvaneva visarchayat, all of them were asked to withdraw. He made them all go back and then settle down for further instructions. Harin Sahasran Kritakarmanaha, Harin Sahasran Visarjayitva Kritakarmanaha, those who have completed this job, because he said that no, if they don't complete the job, if they are procrastinating, I will kill them within 10 days if they don't come. So they have completed Kritakarmana. Kritakarmana means those who have fulfilled their job. Then Kritattam Atmanam Mene. Mene, he thought, he considered that he completed his work of gathering all of them. That is the first thing. After that, what needs to be done must be according to Rama's requirement. Ragavam Mahabalam Atmanam. Ragavam Cha. Not only he has completed his task for himself and also for Raghava. Mahavalam Raghavam Kritartham Mene. Then, looking at this, Lakshmana Bhimabalam Sarvavanara Sattamam. Lakshmana, who looked at that very Sugriva, who is mighty strong, Abravit Prashritam Vakyam. He spoke very noble words, Sugrivam Sampradarshayan, looking at him with great reverence. Now you have accomplished your task of informing all the monkeys to come and assemble for completing the job at hand for Raghava, Sri Rama. Now you can come out now, meaning you have been very hesitant to come out of this Kishkinda. Now you can. Kishkindayam vinikrama yedite somya rochate. If you would like, you can come out right now. So once that was told to Sugriva, tasya tat vachanam shrutva Lakshmanasya subhashitam, listening to that very statement made by Lakshmana, not that Sugriva cannot come out, but he didn't want to set out of that very place without accomplishing the task that is commanded to him. So now that it is complete, Sugriva Paramapritaha, with great joy, Vakyam Edat Uvachaha. Now he spoke this to Lakshmana, saying, Evam Bhavatu, may it this be, Gachamaha, we will go. And it's very important, says, Tvat Shasane Mayasteyam. I am staying by your command. See, that is important. A king is now saying that to Lakshmana, who is who has no country, he does not rule anything, but he is saying to Lakshmana, I am at your command now. That is to give so much of respect to words of Rama. If you are the messenger of Rama, then I am at your command. That is to show how much he had respected Rama and his own messenger here. So I am ready to accept that. And also, sir, is tam eva muktva Sugrivaha Lakshmanam Subalakshanam. Lakshmana is called Lakshmana because he has auspiciousness or auspicious marks all over his body. Meaning what? Angalakshanani, bodily features are also of divine nature. Not only mentally he is so devoted to Bhagavan Rama, but he also has got the physical features which are expressing the divine nature. Shubhalakshanam Lakshmanam. Tada taradhyaschaiva yoshitaha tada visarjayamasa. Sugriva then asked all the women along with Tara, all of them to move away from that very place. Remember, he's not in the court even now, he's in the Antapura. So he's still there only in the backside of the palace where the women stay. So he asked them to move into their rooms. So then afterwards, Ehi Tuchai Harivaran
Ehityuchair Harivaran
Sugriva Samudaharat
Sugriva Samudaharat
Asya Tat Vachanam Shrutva
Tasya Tadvachanam Shrutva
Haraya Shigramayayuhu
Harayashigramayayuhu
Baddhanjali Puta Sarve
Paddanjali Puta Sarve
Yesu Sri Darshana Kshamaha
Yetyuh Stri Darshana Kshamaha
Tanuvacha Tada Praptan
Tanuvacha Tata Praptan
Rajarka Sadrisha Brahmaha
Rajarka Sadrisha Prabhaha
Upastapayata Shipram
Upastapayata Kshipram
Shivikam Mama Vanaraha
Shibikam Mama Vanaraha
Shrutva tu Vachanam Tasya
Shrutva chu Vachanam Tasya
Tasya Haraya Shigra Vikramaha
Tasya Haraya Shigra Vikramaha
Samupastapayamasuhu
Samupastapayamatuhu
Shibikam Priyadarshanam
Shibikam Priyadarshanam
Tamupastapitam Drishtva
Tamupastapitam Drishtva
Shibikam Vanaradipaha
Shibikam Vanaradhipaha
Lakshmanaruhyatam Shigram
Lakshmanaruhyatam Shigram
Iti Saumitram Abravit
Iti Saumitrim Abravit
Ityuktva Kanchanam Yanam
Ityuktva Kanchanam Yanam
Sugriva Surya Sannibham
Sugriva Surya Sannibham
Bahubir Haribir Yuktam
Bahubir Haribir Yuktam
Aruroha Laksa Lakshmana.
Aruroha sa Lakshmanaha.
Then after, he with a very loud voice, Yehi iti uchaihi Harivaran Samudaharat. Come on now, all those monkeys who are the best of the leaders among the monkeys, please come here. So he had ordered those monkeys. Tasya tat vachanam shrutva araya shigramaya. They all assembled therein. So Baddhanjali putaha sarve. And who are those? See, when the king commands, come on, all of you, anybody cannot go. Only those who are allowed or permitted to come to the Antapura where the women live, they are given special permission. Not all of them can go. Sri Darshana Kshamaha Yesyuhu. They are allowed to come, only those who are allowed to see the women of the palace. As earlier also, you remember, when Tara had invited Lakshmana to come, what did she say? The sages allow those people to be capable of or allowed to see women's face only if they are seeing with the attitude of what? Attitude of friendliness. Not those who have feeling of lust or passion, those indulgence, they cannot, sensuousness, they are not allowed. And it is allowed by them, by the sages, that these people are. See, this is a very important tradition. Not that women should cover their face. This is a wrong way of doing. Why should they cover their face? Their face is beautiful and their face is worthy of seeing. Why should they cover? This is a tradition to cover their face is wrong. Everything only. Why? It is on the part of the men to show the dignity. Men should show their dignity. The opposite. Why should women hide themselves? Men should make sure that they don't unnecessarily intimidate women there. They should have the dignity to give respect to the women by not staring at them. I saw one picture, group picture. 6 women were sitting. All burqa. Group picture. किसके लिए? किसको मालूम है कौन है वो? That group picture has no meaning because all of them are covered. What is the group picture meant for? How do you even know who's who? You know, it is said they can distinguish one from another, as my wife or your wife, by their shoes, no, by their slippers. Slippers. Oh, that is my wife. Oh, that is my wife. Looking shoes. If they be exchanged, they say you are a big problem now. You take somebody else home. Yeah. Now here you see, women are not to hide themselves. It's a men's dignity. They must have the dignity to make sure that the nobility to make sure that they don't embarrass the women by looking at them straight there. So, very interesting. Sri Darshana Kshama. They are qualified to look at the women's face. Tan uvacha tatasha prata praptan. Those who have come there. Raja Arka Sadrsha Prabha. Raja Arka Sadrsha Prabha. He is so bright and he is equal to that of the brightness of the sun, the king. Upastapayata Kshipram. Bring very quickly now. Shivikam. Mama Vanaraha. Mama Shivikam Vanaraha Upastapayata. Bring my special palanquin. In Tamil, it's called pallak. I don't know what you say in Telugu, pallak. So that is palanquin. It is called Shibika. In Sanskrit, ba, va will interchange, as you know. Bhavayoho Veda. So, Bhavayoho, Bhavayo. So the va becomes va, ba becomes va. Shibhi was a king, a great king, Shibhi Chakravarti. And he had all things under his command, great royal features. And therefore, what he used as his vehicle is called Shibika. And that has become a standard now. Therefore, the palanquin used by the king is known as Shibika. So Shibikam Mama Vanara Mama Shibikam Vanara Upastapayatu. Vachanam Shrutva Harayaha Shigra Vikramaha, those who are quickly moving. Samupastapayamasu Shivikam. They brought that beautiful palanquin, Priyadarshanam. Tam upastapayatam drishtva, seeing that it is properly placed, she became Vanaradipaha. Lakshmana aruhyatam shikram. Hey Lakshmana, now you get in. Because now we have to proceed to Rama's place. Saumitrim abravid iti. Thus he told, Ityuktva kanchanam yanam sugriva surisannibam. Bahubir haribir yuktam aruroha Salakshmana. Along with all other retinue of his and Salakshmana aruruhu. So he aruroha. So he entered, he climbed into that palanquin and along with Lakshmana, and while the other monkeys all were around him. Now the royal palanquin is moving from Sugriva's court, Antapura, not court, Antapura, to the abode of Rama there. Pandurena tapatrena Triyamanena
murdhani
Shuklaischa Valavyajanaihi Duyamane Samantataha Shankaberi
Shankabheri-ninadaischa Vandibhischabhinanditaha
Nirjayo Prapya Sugrivo
Niryayo prapya sugrivo
Rajyashriyamanutamam
Rajyashriyamanutamam
Tavanarashadair Tikshnaihi
Savanarashatai tikshnaihi
Bahubhishastrapanibihi
Bahubhishastrapanibihi
Parikirno Yayo Tatra
Parikirno yayo tatra
Yatra Ramo Vyavastitaha
Yatra Ramo vyavastitaha
Satam Deshamanoprapya
Tatam deshamanupprapya
Deshtam Ramanishevitam
Sreshtam Ramanishevitam
Avataran Mahatejaha
Avataran Mahatejaha
Shivikaya Salakshmanaha
Shibikaya sa Lakshmanaha
Asadya sa Tado Ramam
Asadya cha tato Ramam
Kritanjalir Puto Babat
Krutanjali puto bhavat
Kritanjalo Stite Tasmin
Krutanjalau stite tasmin
Vanarascha Bhavantata
Vanarascha bhavam tata
Tatakamivatam Drishtva
Tatakamivatam drishtva
Ramakummala Pankajam
Ramakummalak pankajam
Vanarana Mahatsainyam
Vanaranam mahatsainyam
Sugrive Pritamanabhut
Sugrive pritimanabhut
Padayo Patitam Murdna
Padayo patitam murdna
Tamuttapya Harishwaram
Tamusthapya harishwaram
Premna cha Bahumanascha
प्रेम्णा च बहुमाना च
Raghava Parishastvaje
राघवः परिषत्त्वजे
Parishvajya cha dharmatma
परिष्वज्य च धर्मात्मा
Nishededi tado bravit
निषीदेति ततो ब्रवीत्
Nishannam tam tado drishtva
निषण्णं तं ततो दृष्ट्वा
Kshidau Ramo bravit tataha.
क्षितौ रामो ब्रवीत् ततः
The palanquin that was being carried now had got a beautiful white huge umbrella. Atapa patra. The beautiful word for that. Atapa patra. Umbrella is called Atapa patra. What is Atapa patra? Atapa tra. Atapat trayate idi atapatra. It is that which is protecting an individual from the heat and the light of the sun. Atapat trayate. Atapatrena pandurena. White umbrella. You know, in India, all the ministers, they all are allowed to have vehicles which are all white in color. White ambassador. White ambassador means some MP is coming. Mahapapi is coming definitely there. So that is why they are, they're similar to the white. White is somehow it is associated with royalness. So Pandurena Patrena Dhriyamana being carried, that sustained or supported by that. Murdani at the head. At the head, it is support of the white umbrella there, which is protector of from the sun. And also, Samantadaha Duyamanehi Valevijanehi Shuklaischa. Again, white fans, or what do you call that? Fans only you can call. It is made out of the tail of the animal that lives in the Himalayas. They are known as what? What kind of animal? The bulls. Yak. The yak tail. Yak tail is long and it has the fur that is used to make the fan. Even now, if you look at many of the temples have got that white, that is made out of yak tail. That they are found only in those regions. And when we were there in Kailasa, when we were just traveling there, a lot of this, first time when we went in 2004, the ponies were not much, only yaks to travel. Yaks are so huge. And at that time, whether you sit or not, they go. That is their thing. Many of them, they just think that they sad, but that fellow went. They did that all. They went down. They won't care whether somebody is there or not. They don't even know. At least the horse, and it's so huge, so you have to put your leg like this. After that travel, after some 4 hours of travel, they walk like this only, because it's impossible to bring their foot together again, because they having sat there for like that for 4 or 5 hours. So this yak tail is used there. Vala Vyajana. That's a tail of this Vala. Vala, it's a Vala is a tail. Vyajana, that's a fan. Vyajani Duyamane Shuklaischa Samantada Shanka Beri Ninadescha. Beautiful kettle drums and conches were being blown. Vandibihi cha abhinandita. Those who are singers of the king's praise, they are known as bards. They are also singing the praise of the king. Nirjayo Sugrivaha Rajashriyam Anuttamam Prapya. Rajashriyam, the prosperity of the king, being royal prosperity, having gained Sugriva now, proceeded there. Savanara Shataihi Tikshnaihi Bahubihi Sahas Shastrapanivihi, along with hundreds of very smart and nowadays they have what security with carrying AK-4, black cats. Now these monkeys are also the security personnel. They were all extremely sharp weapons in their hand. Tikshnaihi Shastrapanivihi Parikirnaha, surrounded Yayo Yatra Ramo Vyavastitaha, where Rama was residing. Satam Desham Anuprapya Rama Nishevitam Desham, where the dwelling of Rama was there, Nishevitam abode. Rama Nishevidam Desham Anuprapya Sreshtam, which is the best among the forest area. Avataran. Avatarati means to come out or come down. Avataran, past participle, and past perfect past there. Avataran. Mahatejaha Shivikayaha, from that very palanquin, Salakshmanaha, Mahatejaha, that is Sugriva. Tado Rama Masadya, approaching Rama, Kritanjali Puto Abhavat. He became filled with great gratitude. He had that Kritanjali. He put his hand together in salutation. Tasmin Kritanjalostite Vanaraha cha abhavantata. When the king himself has got down and did namaskar to Rama, many of the monkeys probably would not even know who Rama was, because Rama did not enter the kingdom at all. None of the monkeys know about Rama because they were all with Wali, and Wali's command they were, and they had no idea about who Rama is. And if the king has saluted, he must be somebody worthy of saluting. So they also just followed him. So the Vanaraha cha abhavat tata, abhavan tata tasmin. When Kritanjalostiti Tatakamivatam Drishtva Ramaha. So Rama saw the huge, array of monkeys, like a huge lake there, and a lake they are not lake. They are like the buds of lotus buds on a large lake. Tatakam Kungmala Pangajam Iva Drishtvatam. They are seen, the whole Sena, the Sainyam, Mahat Sainyam Vararanam, the very Sainyam of Vanara is looking like that of the buds that are found in the huge lake. Kungma means Kungmala bud, Pangajam, Vanarana Mahat Sainyam, Sugrive Pradim Pritimanabhu. Sugrive Pritim Anaput. He became so loving, having a loving emotion about Sugriva. In Sugriva, Padayoho Patitam Sugrive Patitam Murdna Padayoho, one who has fallen at the foot of his own Samuttapya, Arishwaram Samuttapya, having lifted him, Sugriva. Premna cha bahumanacha, with the high esteem and with great love, Ravaha Parishasvaje, he embraced him and understood that now he had on his part, which he says, ending Lakshmana is sufficient enough to accomplish any task. See, that's the beauty of the servant. You don't need to follow up. If you're given a job, he will complete that only, he will come back. Hanuman is one step further. He will do further more also. Lakshmana will say, exactly, what did you say? Okay, I will complete that job. Hanuman, I finished what I need to do. Extra, can I do something? That is Hanuman. So Lakshmana had completed his task of making sure that Sugriva knows that what he's supposed to do. So Parishvajya Dharmatma Nisheda iti tado abravi. Now sit down, please. You are the king of the country. So please sit down. Let us not start talking. Tam tato shido nishannam drishtva. Now, he being, Sugriva being very grateful to Rama, would not sit next to him or equal to him. He sat down on the floor. Shido Ramo abravit sataha. Then thereafter he addressed him. Now you see, one interesting thing that happened in Sandipani, long time back. When once a Mahatma was arriving at Sandipani ashram, and Gurudev was the teacher at that time. Gurudev was the acharya, teacher there. So when all the students have assembled, just way back in the 60s, and this Mahatma, who was not having eyes, actually, he was a great scholar but did not have eyes. I think his name was Gopeshwar Giri or something. Very well known in the Vedanta circle, and he was arriving to our ashram. So all arrangements were made for the Mahatma to sit there inside the temple, and also they were putting all, arrangements for Gurudev, etc. And Gurudev is a man who, who is always a person who commands by his very presence itself. And when the Mahatma arrived, Gurudev did the salutations at his feet. And, students have never seen Gurudev saluting anybody. If Gurudev himself bending down and saluting someone means it's somebody who's highly, he would not even salute. He will not bow down even to a president or a prime minister. Presidents and prime ministers have inaugurated his yajnas in many places, Delhi, etc. But if he is saluting someone, there must be some great. So all the students said, everybody fell off the feet. That Mahatma slowly walked. He was elderly already. Went up the stairs slowly and then sat down in the place he was given place to. And he was given a mic to speak also. Then all the retinue, all the students also went behind, and Gurudev also went there, obviously. And as soon as the Mahatma sat down, Gurudev sat at his feet. Now, Gurudev was given a seat separately next to him. No. And then students do not know what to do now. They were all just standing. If Gurudev is sitting down on the floor, what do they? They cannot sit next to him. Where do they sit? Very interesting. This is narrated by Swami Siddhananda, who was studying at the time. And it was such an emotional, because they had never seen Gurudev. They have not seen how Gurudev was in front of Taponji Maharaj. They have not seen. But then Gurudev said, he's equal to Tapovana to me. This Gopeshwar Maharaj, eyeless, but he has written commentary on or the meaning, translation of every verse of the Vedas. Such a highly scholarly and highly respected Mahatma. So I bow down to the Vedas itself in front of me. That's what he said. I'm bowing down to Veda. So can you be equal to Veda or above? I cannot. So that is how Gurudev showed the respect. That's very interesting. I don't know whether there is any picture of that time taken of Gurudev sitting under the feet of Gopeshwar. And we have seen picture with Taponji. There also, he sits at his feet only, not sit near to him. So that is a complete respect tradition that was demonstrated. Here also, he was a king. Sugriva was a king, but where he sat at the feet, on the floor. So that is to say, Nishannam chatato drishva shito. Ramah Bravit. Shito Nishannam. So now what he would say, that is, we'll see in the next session. Yes, Shashi?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Do the final.
Ganita.
Thank you.
Aganita Guna Gana.
अगणित गुण गण भूषण राम आश्रित वत्सल जय जय राम अयोध्यवासी सीता राम आपद बांधव जय जय राम दशरथ नंदन श्री राम दशमुख मर्दन जय जय राम कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम कामित फलप्रद जय जय
Kamita Palada Jaya Jaya
राम पाप विमोचन श्री राम पट्टाभिराम जय जय राम जानकी जीवन सीता राम जय रघुराम जय सिय राम वानर सेवित श्री राम वारधि वंदन जय जय राम हनुमत पूजित सीता राम जय रघुराम जय सिय राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीता राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान
की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय
जय
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज
की जय।